Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ngayon nga pala guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga performance ng iba't ibang grade level ng aming cheer dance. Ayan guys, ang iba't ibang performance ng ibang grade level for our cheer dance. Yun na lang muna guys, update ko na lang at kayo sa mga susunod kong video. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!